buggy race, and we got a wreck right there, right off the rim.
Ready. Marshall's ready. On the toe. Less than 5. That was a line right there. McGill, Holiday, look at the inside, look at the outside. Oh, McGill gonna go into the pipe. Cronin now to the lead, Cronin to the race lead. Chris Cronin from P3 to the lead here. Oh, easy, lead. Nick Christopher to the lead. Chris Cronin in the 2. Now Fisher to the 2.
Tired, dude. Come on! Marshall, go! Marshall!
Joey! Chris Cronin leader.
No, I'm moving, don't hit me. You got time, Joey, you got time.
Tim Larson out to the 2. Miguel out to the 2. Jason Medici to the 3. Tim Larson now showing the leader. Tim, Miguel, Jason, Joey, Chris, Alan, Seth, Nick. Holiday out there. Larson, your leader across the line. He's got Miguel all over him with 2 minutes to go. Chris Cronin back to the 3 now. Joey Fisher right there in the 4. Leaders are coming up on Chad. And Chad. Down now to the race lead, Tim Larson, Joey Fisher. Then Seth, Chris, Jason. Caution the sweeper below, the sweeper lower, the sweeper 1 minute to go. Miguel, Tim, Joey, Seth, Chris, in top 5. That's Jason, Payton, Patrick, Chad, Alan out.
Come on, Joey! Get out, Larson! Oh, man.
30 seconds to go.
Larson, you got this, Larson!
Miguel, Tim, Joey, Seth, Chris in the top 5. Tim, Miguel, Joey, Seth, your top 4, Chris in the 5, 10 seconds to go.
One more lap, Larson.
Tim, Miguel, Joey.
Move, Larson.
And it's the line, Tim, over the double, here comes Miguel over the big jump.
Move, Larson.
Comes Joey over the big jump, Seth over the big jump.
Good job, Larson.
Thank you.
And Tim Larson gonna get the win. Miguel,
Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. What happened?
You heard me, right?
Yeah, I heard you,
Take
bro.
your- no, you heard me saying take your time?
Yeah. I heard you. I appreciate you.
You gotta take it.